So today I'm working on my 2007 F150 with the dreaded 5.4, and I am changing my VVT solenoid. And while I understand it can be done, it is a complete pain in the butt to get the passenger side valve cover off. So I saw a video where a guy ground away that little lip on the inside of there and was able to pull his VVT right out. And while I tried that, there wasn't enough clearance to get it out of there. So I ended up having to make a small relief cut down here, and that allowed me to wiggle it out just enough. So I have a new Ford VVT solenoid I'm going to put in there on this side. And then I'm going to clean this area out real well, and I'm going to use a little bit of black RTV to seal the new seal in place there. This is an old truck with a lot of miles on it, and it's going to rust in half before anything. So to do the grinding on here, I used a blue shop rag, which is a little bit tougher, and I jammed it in the hole all around the VVT here, and then I used a dremel tool, it'll focus, with a carbide burr on the end, and I set up my little shop vac here with this hose stuck in here directly over it, so that way any metal shavings hopefully would get vacuumed out and anything else would get caught by the blue paper towel. And I kept the vacuum on as I pulled the blue paper towel out, and I was able to get it out of there. It took a little bit of fiddling, and I had to come back in and relieve the inside of this a little bit more, and I had to, like I said, I had to relieve this a little bit here, and I was able to get it out. So not the best way to do it, but for this old truck it's good enough. So there you go. We have the new VVT in place. And the other thing was, without this relief cut in here, you could not get a tool in here. And I am using a Wiha Torx T27, but this allowed me enough room to slide in here and get on there. I tried every which way possible to get onto that bolt, and it takes a little bit of fishing to get in there, but you can get in there and tighten it down. So there it is. New VVT is in place. Just got to silicone it up, clean it up, put the new seal in. Why did Ford ever go with this when the earlier models had an offset hole here where you could easily get this in and out? And for some reason in 2007 they changed to a round centered hole that makes it impossible to get this valve out of here without pulling the whole valve cover off or doing some surgery like this. Thank you, Ford.